Hello, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful first half of the week. Crude not having a good first half of the week. Now, what we basically saw here was price trying to continue to get itself together here, and as I think I mentioned to the public, if not, it was to my members. But in either case, we had a very similar type of a price action like back here, and again, referencing more recent history, we had a very similar type of a price action over here. Basically, we were grinding between the 50 and the 200 here, trying to consolidate and get a nice upward push into the 70s. After the break of that trend line, again, we were holding on to the 50, and the 38.2 fib was the last level of support, and then we got smacked down after that inventory news came out. So again, we are back at those lower levels, 66 40s. Should see a little bit of a bounce here, I would imagine up to at least 67.40. Now the big question is, do we get above this level here? And I imagine that we could push in the 68, but I do see a strong possibility of another attack by the bears to see if they can push underneath these 66.40s. Now, if some of you do recall that I have been looking at prices potentially kicking down into the 63.80 area, which is around the 161.8 fib level retracement, we do have some support again back in this area. So that could be the next level target, assuming that we do get that break underneath the recent lows that we are basically bouncing off of presently. So again, RSI matching the previous lows. There isn't really any divergence here to be spoken of as far as the 4 hours concerned. And again, we had a nice little bounce here. Still could see, like I said, a further bounce back up into 67.30 or so. Another pullback, and then if the bulls can come in yet again, try to push up into 68, we're going to have again another push down into 67.30s. If we're unable to maintain this level, we're going to be coming right back down to test it. And if we break, then we just bought ourselves into some serious trouble, 63.80 to around 64 on the lows before we do see another healthy bounce in oil.